You try to burn me down, but my spirit just revives.